This is the main event of the evening, Rooks Competitive Division, Magic7 versus Trojans. Will cross the timeline safely as he lets it fly. He will just drain it down, back-to-back hits. Quick ball movement here as Nicolas using the board. Here comes the sprint and he dishes it off again. Another assist, another foray. Their own version, quick response here, difficult shot. Here comes Diamante, penetrating the lane, dishing it off again. Ortiz will be manning the point. Lob pass, my goodness. That was just an amazing move. They will sprint their way down for Bedania. Quick dish again for rebound collected here by the Magic7 on the run. Fast break opportunity, open court, Magic7 firing from all cylinders here. And then now he goes berserk. Dolientas. And he wasn't looking there. And Magic7 will exploit it with the bang. And the bottom of the net, burying the tray. Esteban, they let him take the shot. Back-to-back hits. And Magic7 can bust this game wide open if they want to. It's a good thing that they were able to recover it from the top of the key. Got the possession back. Diamante looking for Peñaflorida. And that will end the second quarter with a score of 57-41. Magic7 up against the Trojans.
We've been discussing this over the halftime break. You know, the Trojans, they just need to play their game and not play side by side with the pace of Magic7.
The layup, left hand, transition, Ortiz takes the flight, and he will
out, rotating at the right place at the right time, stopping the other big men for the Trojans.
The intangibles indeed, as Magic7 with an 18-point lead again.
You know, the defense hasn't been consistent for the Trojans and their energy level. You can see the body language for the redshirts kind of a little bit off, especially in that fourth quarter. Ortiz has been doing everything just as you've mentioned, which is why other guys need to do their part as well. And another three-pointer was made by Magic7.
King Diamante taking over this game as our final score, Magic7 108, the Trojans 95. This is your Kings of the Court competitive Rooks division.